Morning students, welcome to the Science 1 class. In today's class, we are going to learn about the postulates of modern atomic theory. The first postulate is, an atom is no longer indivisible. What is the meaning of no longer indivisible? It means it is divisible. It can be divided into three subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The second postulate is, atoms of the same element may have different atomic mass. For example, chlorine. You know that chlorine exists in two forms, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Here, the atomic number is the same, that is 17. But the mass number is different, 35 and 37. In the previous videos, we have learnt about isotopes. What is an isotope? Atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass number. The third postulate is, atoms of different elements may have same atomic masses. Let's take 5 different elements: sulfur, potassium, calcium, chlorine, and argon. In each case, the number of protons and neutrons is different. But, however, the total number of nucleons sums up to 40. The total number of nucleons is nothing but the sum of protons plus neutrons. And you know what is an isobar? Atoms of different elements with same atomic mass. The fourth postulate is, atoms of one element can be transmuted into atoms of another elements. Here, the meaning of transmute is conversion of one element into another. If we transmute atoms of one element into the atoms of another element, we will be getting a new element. Hence, it is said that atoms are indestructible. So, in this example, when nitrogen atom is bombarded with an alpha particle, it gives oxygen atom. Bombarding means that some particles are made to strike something with great speed. Postulate number 5. Atoms may not always combine in a simple whole number ratio. Let's understand this postulate with 2 examples. Glucose and sucrose. What is glucose and sucrose? Sucrose, glucose, and fructose are all simple sugars, in which sucrose is a sugar molecule made up of both glucose and fructose. What is the chemical formula of glucose? C6H12O6. In glucose, the ratio of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms are 6:12:6. If we simplify the ratio, we will be getting 1:2:1, which is a simple whole number ratio. The chemical formula of sucrose is C12H22O11. In sucrose, the ratio of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms are 12:22:11, which is not in the simple whole number ratio. In case, if the ratio is 12:22:12, we can say that it is in the simple whole number ratio. Postulate number 6. Atom is the smallest particle that takes part in a chemical reaction. It means the subatomic particles, that is proton, neutron, and electron, will not take part in the chemical reaction individually. Atom as a whole will take part in a chemical reaction. Postulate number 7. The mass of an atom can be converted into energy. When an atom is broken down, some of its mass is converted into a large amount of energy. In Einstein equation, that is E is equal to mc square, where E is energy, m is mass, and c is the speed of light. If we reverse Einstein's equation, we will get m is equal to E by c square. Hence, a small amount of mass can be converted into enormous amount of energy. Students, today we have learnt only one topic, that is postulates of modern atomic theory. Thank you, students. Have a good day.